In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight with Klarna, best way in 5 minutes. If you want to spread out the cost of your flight, Klarna can make checkout straightforward. There are two clean ways to do it. The first is the direct route when the airline or travel site already offers Klarna at checkout. The second is using the Klarna app or website to generate a one-time virtual card you can use anywhere that accepts credit cards. Let's start with the direct route. Pick your flights as you normally would on the airline or travel site. When you reach the payment page, look for Klarna listed alongside other options. Choose it, follow the prompts, and confirm the payment plan you prefer. Klarna will show you your installment schedule and any fees or interest that might apply based on the plan and your location. This method is quick because the merchant and Klarna are already connected and you don't have to leave the checkout flow. If you don't see Klarna at checkout, use the one-time card method. Open the Klarna app or go to the Klarna website. Use the search bar to find your airline, then select the option to shop there. You may see a button that says Shop at Airline or an option to pay with Klarna at the bottom of the screen. Tap that to begin. Next, enter the estimated total for your flight. Be as accurate as possible and include taxes, fees, and any extras you know you'll add, like seat selection or bags. Klarna will create a one-time virtual card for that amount. Think of it like a temporary credit card that works just for this purchase. Copy the card number, expiration date, and security code. Now go back to the airline's checkout. Choose credit card as your payment method and paste in the virtual card details. Make sure your billing information matches what Klarna shows. Before you submit, double check that your booking total aligns with the amount you set in Klarna. One-time cards typically have a short active window, so complete the purchase promptly to avoid the card expiring. If your price changes before you pay, cancel the card in Klarna and generate a new one with the updated total. After you place the order, keep an eye out for the airline's booking confirmation. You'll see the purchase in your Klarna account with the payment schedule. Pay on time to avoid fees, and remember that the airline's change and refund policies still apply to your ticket. That's it. Two reliable ways to book a flight with Klarna. Thanks for watching and safe travels.